those of you who don't know me or checking this out for the first time, I'm going to quickly introduce myself. My name is Tamara and I run the beauty and travel blog Loverofshades.com. Before we get started on our tutorial and I'll be telling you what I'm going to review, I want you to go ahead and give a quick subscribe to this channel and go ahead and check out my blog, which is Loverofshades.com, where I talk about all things beauty as well as all things travel. So today I'm actually featuring a makeup brand that is, I guess you could still consider them a small business. I don't consider them a small business, but they're like definitely on the up and up, and the makeup brand is called Colourpop, and I'm quite sure you've heard of Colourpop. They're very active on Instagram, very active on social media, and they have been doing collabs with certain like celebrity artists as well as celebrities such as Karrueche, Makeup Shayla, etc, etc. So, and they are based out of Santa Monica, California, I want to say, my home state, but I'm not from LA, I'm from the Bay. So yeah, so definitely check them out. I'm going to be featuring 3 products today. They ran a sale like a little while ago, and I went ahead and ordered 3 products. One of the main things that I was eager to try, because I've been hearing so much about it and they launched it earlier this year, is their no filter foundation. So I'm actually going to be featuring that in my makeup tutorial today. I also went ahead and bought like an eyeshadow palette. This one is called Make Up Your Mind. It comes with 6 colors. The colors is called Inside Out, Be Right Back, Toasted, Forever Young, Over It, and Lock and Key. And I'll be using these colors throughout the tutorial, so you'll get my thoughts and my tidbits on that. I want to go ahead and do a quick, I guess, color comparison. Now you'll notice that some of the colors are brighter than others, which we will talk about. See that? You can see how I actually put 5, but you can only see a few. So we'll talk about that in the tutorial. You'll get my, like I said, my opinion and tidbits on that. And then the last thing that I'm going to feature is actually Colourpop's Ultra Matte Lip. Is one of their shades. The shade is called Chalk and Roll. Now again, this is ultra matte, which means that it finishes super dry, super matte. So you're going to get my opinion on this as well. So in the meantime, this is the finished look. However, we want to get to that look. So if you want to look like this or something similar, stay tuned and let's just jump right into it. So far in the Colourpop Make Up Your Mind palette, I use 2 colors. So the main one I use is this one. Hold on, sorry about that. I use the Inside Out, which is this like kind of like a mauve or a pinkish color. And then I also use this one over here. It's called Over It. It looks like it is like a dark brown or kind of like a brownish purple. Sorry about that. It kind of looks like it's a brownish purple, but it actually comes off kind of like a aqua shade. So to be honest with you, so far I've been having to also supplement the shades or the shadows with my Bright Lights palette. I've used Dreamsicle as well as Boom. So these 2 here in the corner. I've used the like that orange pinkish color for the crease, and then I also use this for the crease as well, just to give it more of a volume or more definition. So far I'm a little bit disappointed, only because I was hoping the colors would really pop, especially since I used the packet method, but I still have faith in this palette. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some more cream on my lid, and then we'll see how the other colors pan out. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, so I just finished the eyes, so I'll go over my final thoughts about that at the end of the video, but I just wanted to quickly move on. I don't want to make this video too long, and we're reviewing 3 products, don't forget. So I want to move on to their No Filter foundation. So I ordered this from also the Colourpop website. Right now I got the shade Dark, which is 175. I know it doesn't look dark. I don't consider it dark either, but I actually did use it once. I didn't use it on a whole face application. I just tested my jawline just to make sure that it actually matched my skin tone so I could figure out if I needed to adjust or not for the video. I'm just going to put some on my hand. Did you see? All right, there you go. So the color, like I said, it says dark. I don't consider it dark. I already did a little bit of color correction, but I would say I got it at the end of the summertime. I would say it matched my skin tone. All right, it's a little dark, but mostly, don't forget, it's going into winter time, so I know that it's not going to match perfectly. If it was summertime, it would have matched perfectly. But still a good color. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the video while I apply the foundation. Keep cutting this video off, but it just seems like everything is happening. Either the heat coming on, people screaming outside, something. We gonna get through this video. All right, so final thoughts. Let's just get straight to it. Would I get this again? Probably not. However, the colors are really pretty. I do like 3 out of the 6 colors, but it is cheap and it doesn't cost that much, so you could definitely, this is a palette I would definitely play around in, or if I want certain colors, I will come back and use this. However, the 3 colors that I'm not the craziest about, because the pigment isn't that great, it pairs very well with other eyeshadow pigments. So just a food for thought. All right, the lip cream, or the ultra matte lip, pretty color, dry as hell. I still like it, but you're definitely going to have something else to keep that lip moisturized. Otherwise, you will be walking around looking like Pookie from New Jack City, and don't nobody got time for that. All right, and then the last thing, but not least, is the No Filter foundation. I actually really like this foundation. I'm going to continue to use it. Once I run out, I'll probably buy some more. I love this foundation. So overall, for Colourpop, I definitely will continue to try their products. I know that they do different collabs, and you know, they have different items that are not necessarily geared towards certain crowds, but you know, they explore, they think outside the box, so I do like that. So I'll definitely will try them again. They probably won't be top on my list. However, I do like the brand overall. I like the makeup looks that people are able to produce from their products. So again, out of all 3, I would definitely continue to use the foundation. I'll play around with this every once in a while, and I'll come to this like when I want like that bold lip color. Just have to make sure to keep those lips moisturized. All right, so that's about it. Those are my thoughts. Do you guys own anything of Colourpop? Do you have any other items in Colourpop that you recommend that I try? Just to give you a quick disclaimer, nobody paid me for this review. Every item that you see on any of my YouTube tutorials, I paid for those products. I'm giving you my honest review, and I'm giving you the looks that I come up with from those products. So If there's any other thing in Colourpop that you would like me to try, please go ahead and leave that comment in the comment section below. I will be sure to check it out. I will check out the website and see if it's something that I'm interested in trying, and I might feature it on my channel. But for any of the products that I featured in today's tutorial, I'm going to put that in the description box below. I will also put the description for all the items that I use in both the description box as well as on my blog. Since we're talking about my blog, actually, go ahead and give that a follow. My blog is www.loverofshades.com, where I talk about beauty, of course do beauty tutorials, beauty hacks, beauty tips, blah 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 with beauty. And I also review quite a bit of travel. I have traveled around the world, so I give you my perspective and give you guides and give you tips and give you all that good stuff on all the places that I have visited, and of course I'm still going to be visiting as we go along. And while you're at my blog, please don't forget to subscribe to that. While you're looking at this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm just going to point everywhere. That subscribe button is somewhere. It's probably on this side. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I upload something at least every 2 weeks, so keep you updated, but I always post weekly content on my blog. And since you are following, you're going to subscribe both to my YouTube as well as to my blog. Go ahead and jump over to Instagram and Facebook and follow me. You can find me on the handle Lover of Shades. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any recommendations, anything, go ahead and leave that in the comment box. I will be sure to respond to you, and I want to thank you guys so much for checking out my channel and continuing to support me. I will continue to have more beauty reviews, more beauty reviews, more travel reviews, and I'm also going to start getting back into hair again, because although my hair is straightened, I am a natural. I do have natural hair, so I'm going to go back into doing some hair tutorials as well. But until next time, again, thank you so much. Love you all, and God bless, and I will see you next time. Bye.